Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder in a factory. First, raw ingredients like whey concentrate or plant proteins are sourced and meticulously inspected for purity. These ingredients then go through initial cleaning and preparation, which might include filtering or pre-drying. This foundational stage is critical for ensuring the final product meets strict quality standards and provides the desired nutritional benefits. Next, the prepared ingredients are precisely weighed and combined according to specific product formulations. This often involves large industrial blenders that ensure a homogeneous mixture. Specialized machinery guarantees uniform particle size, which is vital for solubility and texture. Throughout this blending stage, continuous quality control checks are performed to maintain consistency and adherence to the recipe. Following blending, the mixture undergoes a drying process to reduce moisture content to an optimal level, typically using spray drying or vacuum drying methods. This prevents spoilage and extends shelf life. Once dried, the material is finely milled into a consistent, smooth powder. This grinding step is essential for achieving the desired texture and ensuring the protein powder dissolves easily when mixed. Finally, the finished protein powder is carefully packaged into various container sizes, from small pouches to large tubs, often in a controlled environment to prevent contamination. Before release, every batch undergoes rigorous final quality and safety testing, including checks for purity, nutritional content, and absence of contaminants. This ensures the product is safe and meets all regulatory standards. For more great content and deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.